Welcome to this better than new condo located in Copper Horse, a new development that will have you living maintenance free with no yard work all year round. This home features 2 bedrooms, a lofted space, and a bonus room that can be used for an office, workout space, or playroom. Enjoy the open concept layout and natural light that saturates the space in sunshine. The kitchen features luxurious quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and a peninsula space that can be used for extra seating. The living room boasts vaulted ceilings and a corner gas fireplace, leaving you in the pinnacle of comfort. Providing both style and functionality, luxury vinyl plank can be found throughout the main floor. As you go upstairs, you'll find a lofted space and custom closet that can be used as another living space or office. The spacious master ensuite has a slat accent wall and a walk-in closet with custom closet tamers. You'll have plenty of space to get ready in the mornings with dual sinks in the full bathroom upstairs. When you want some fresh air, enjoy the private backyard with its oversized patio to relax and decompress. This home is located in the Carroll School District and conveniently near Parkview Hospital, restaurants, shopping, and walking trails. Don't miss out on this beautiful condo and all of its perks. Call Wendy France for more details.